Hey guys, it's March 21st, 2021. It's roughly about 8:15 Eastern. So let's take a look at how CleanSpark traded on Friday, March 19th, and see what we can expect for tomorrow's trading. So this is kind of like my second round going about this. Some issues came up there, so I'm redoing it. In the meantime, I thought it's kind of good, so kind of speed up the video presentation of these long lines being drawn. So basically, we broke through the trend, this overall descending wedge that occurred. So let's take a look at that a little larger time frame. So that was the first descending wedge that we saw. That was in kind of conjunction with forming roughly 312, so roughly about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So we've broken that item there, and then so we'll see how as we progress later on for the other trend. As far as on down to more of the 5-minute scale, we pretty much opened here, got pushed down. Good thing is there's a little bit more volume that day, so we pushed up higher and got rejected by this 2410 area with the resistance there, and that would have occurred anyways, because if this was being drawn real time as this unfolded, you'll see that there's more of a price cluster there that occurred, and so that resistance would have been a lot more heavier to deal with, and from there we got pushed down. So at opening bell, we did try to push up, but that angle kept rejecting us. But after the second or third time we tried, we managed to push through, considering that we rose higher and higher. So we kind of traded with the market that day as NASDAQ went up a little bit, then came down, and then went back up a little higher, and then traded sideways, right? So CleanSpark did the same thing. So we kind of did that. This angle is kind of just beating us up right now. Just more I look at it. So this thing is quite pain in the butt. So we'll see. Hopefully, we'll be able to knock that out. So for tomorrow, we're looking pretty good. I would consider this to be a more of a big flag staff, more of a bullish angle here, bullish flag. So we are trading higher. So in the last couple of days, we've made pushes up higher, landed on a nice support. We tried to do the same thing the next day, but got rejected. But the good thing is that particular day took out a lot of sellers, so we're not getting as much pressure from with that being done. So with that in mind, I'm looking for this thing to go up higher, maybe hit this thing constantly to where maybe an opening bell, we will get up to this point around the 25.50 mark, and then by the end of the day, hopefully we'll be higher. So we'll see. So that's quite a bit of not bad movement for CleanSpark. You know, I mean, that's really from like 24.50 to 25.50. So that's really just mainly a dollar. But we'll see how it goes, because I mean, you know, we are still under the influence of the market. There have been no new news other than the fact of them closing the 200 million public offering last week. So that's out of the way. So really, it's all about market conditions and how much volume we get. Hopefully, this is not going to be a new angle where this is going to create another a resistance, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm hoping we'll go get up here, this area right here, Monday morning, and then maybe make the push up. So we may trade sideways for a little bit, and then start writing one of these angles. All right. So other than that, guys, happy trading. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help the channel out and like the video if it did well for you. Other than that, happy trading and talk to you tomorrow.